Pre-selling or RFO? Which one is better? Pre-selling means you are buying a property while it is still being built. The big pro? It is way cheaper kasi nabili mo lang siya at the launch price. You also get longer at mas flexible ang payment terms. Usually, ang payment term dyan for 10% is spread for 2 to 3 years. The downside naman is you'll have to wait for at least 2 to 4 years hanggang matapos ang property. There is also delays and changes sa final product. Ang RFO or Ready for Occupancy, ang best part dito is pwede mo na siyang lipatan agad or paupahan kung pang-investment naman. Pero, mas mahal siya at usually, kailangan mo ng bigger cash out. Or kung hindi naman, is kailangan mo siyang i-loan agad kay Pag-ibig, pang-financing, or in-house man yan. There's no one size fits all. It all depends on your goal. Want to know more about real estate tips? Hit follow and comment invest if you are curious about which one is right for you.